Hey everybody, Gareth here with FCP Euro. Welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to show you how to replace the wiper blades, both the windshield and back glass on an F15 X5. This is going to be the same for all your F15 X5s, regardless of model, F85 X5M, F16 X6, and F86 X6M. With that said, not really anything special in terms of tools. I'm just using this 90-degree pick. Super simple install, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Show you how to do this. Wiper blade replacement is actually pretty simple here. The entire wiper blade assembly has like kind of this arrow shield around it. So all you do is you flip up this little tab here. That's what the pick's for. Pull the blade off like so. We're going to take our new blade, bring it into the slot here, let it seat, pull it, close the locking tab, done. And we're going to do the exact same on the other side. So again, take the pick, just going to flip open this little lock tab like so. And now from here, all you need to do is just pull the wiper down like this, off the wiper arm. We take our new wiper blade. So until it's flush like that. And then you push up into position and then close the locking tab and you're done. Super easy. Now the rear wiper blade replacement is really easy. You just grab it from the lower portion here and you pretty much just twist off. New wiper blade is gonna go on like this. You're gonna notice this little dimple right there. That is actually to prevent you from putting it on incorrectly. So all you're gonna do is slide it down with the little dimple towards the outside of the wiper arm. And then you're gonna get this little groove, little notch lined up, and then push into place, and you're done. Super simple. No tools required for the rear. So you can see wiper blade replacement on an F15 X5. Super simple, both the windshield wiper blades and the rear glass or back glass wiper blade. Very easy to replace. Only really need a pick or a screwdriver to release the lock on the windshield wiper blades. No tools required for the rear wiper blade. So overall, no reason not to replace these on a regular basis. Chances are, you know, if we're being honest, most people wait way too long to replace wiper blades. Probably should be doing it a couple of times a year at most, especially if you're in an environment where you use the wipers a lot or in an area where it's very hot. It's very possible for those wiper blades to wear out a lot quicker or dry out depending on those conditions. So yeah, don't wait until the next rainstorm to take care of it. Just get ahead of the curve and take care of it now. Hope you learned something in this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave in the comment box below. Hit that like button if you like this video and hit subscribe. We have a lot more videos on the way. And as always, we'll see you for the next one. Thanks for watching.
Do you always walk off the